Welcome back to another lesson. So first off, we're just going to get some theming. This is a color scheme for our app. So you import theme provider as MUI theme provider from Material UI core/styles, and then import create MUI theme from this here. So all this simply does is create a color scheme for our app, like so light, dark, and primary. So if you want to come to here, /customization/color, or in theming, copy this, so import those, paste that in here. I've just changed all the text to white because I think it looks better. And then once you've done that, context theme, you want to wrap this div in the MUI theme provider, and then set theme equal to theme, which is this here. So wrap all that, Command S. And then next, what we'll do, come into here. You can install Axios now. We'll do that in the next bit coming up. So npm install Axios, and you don't have to go -- save anymore. Just npm install Axios, and that will save it as normal. So this is the new shorter method, I for install, if you didn't know it already. So then come down here. We're going to get this grid. This grid is also from Material UI, so you can search grid. So if you want to find out more, just go through here. So spacing goes up to 12, 3. These are just basically percentages. 12 means the whole space. 3 means a certain amount of space. For extra small screens, so that's going to be a certain amount of pixels. I'm not sure, but they'll probably be in here somewhere as well. So come back to here. So you want the content and the profile. So this will probably be our job post, which we'll get a bit in a second. So you want one big grid. Spacing only goes up to 10. These go up to 12. So on a small screen, 8, and extra small screen, 12, take up the whole space. Sorry, don't worry about that. That's the next part. Like so. So then Command S, Command Shift P, npm sorry, running, whoops. So anyway, this here. So once that's all done nicely, we will now fetch the job post. I'm going to load him on the screen and put him here. Okay, welcome back to the lesson. As I said before, we're going to get the job post from here. These are two different job posts with the same title. In future lessons, we're going to put a card here. The job post will have the job title, job description, and maybe the person's profile details in an actual card, make it look better. But we'll do this, just do this for now. So if we come back to Visual Studio Code, if you haven't already, I'm not sure if I told you to do this, you have to npm install Axios, press enter. I think I've already told you to do this, but do that, then import Axios from Axios, put the state in here, job post empty array. Okay, then come down here, component did mount. So this is basically when the component starts or gets added to the app. We're going to get axios.get. So that's the same, it's pretty much the same as going to Postman and doing it, but we're doing it for real now in the app. And then you want to go to Postman, the same one that gets the job post, which is this one. See down here, same one. We got need a gardener, which if I didn't show you, it's here. So yeah, paste that in here. Then we go .then, get the response. You can log the response, so you don't have to. And then this .set state, job post, res.data. So that will fill this up with the data, which is the two job posts you saw on the screen. and then we'll catch catch any errors here, console log the errors. Okay, so then come down to render. I'm going to create this variable recent job post equals this.state.job post question. That means, is there any job posts? And then if there is, this.state.job post.map. So for each job post, we're going to put a paragraph with the job post job title, which you see there. You can go job description. I'm pretty sure that's one. This is job post was the job description. So you see later how we'll just add more things, the title, add the description in. And this here, if you don't put this in the key, you're going to get an error because every child needs a key. Don't put that in, see the error you get, and that's how you fix it. So if you come into Firebase, I won't go into it, but the job post comes a job ID, which is unique. So every key needs to be unique, otherwise you're going to get an error if it's the same. Like, just put the value of 12 in there and you'll see same key error. So the job ID, put that in here. Each key needs to be unique, so that's why I use job ID. Okay, so, and then this is the else. If you don't have job posts, we're just going to have loading like so. So that's how we do this, and then we'll simply put recent job posts here. Okay, click save. Oh, and one more thing, you got an error, a cause error, which is cross origin, forget what it is, resource sharing, I think, cross origin resource sharing. So go watch some videos on this. It's just basically if you're trying to access a server and you're not the actual same client, because these days we're accessing servers all around, but in the old days you'd just access a server that was related to your client. So that's why you need to go back to your actual functions, and you got to put this in here, and then you go Command Shift P. Oh no, sorry, Firebase deploy dash only functions. Sorry, I'll get it right a second. Press enter. I've redone it, so that will add it to there, and you won't get that cause error. So come back to here. Okay, that should be all good. I think there was... Oh, and you have this error in your thing as well, saying this will be deprecated. So just change that to how it is here. Click save, option, Command S, save all. Just check there wasn't anything in app.js. Nope. So then after you've done that, npm start, I've redone it. And it'll be like this. So you can actually play around that, put job title, job description. So that'll be it for this lesson, and in future lessons we're going to make the card better. So we'll have maybe a picture here, the job post title, job post description, things like that. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson.